Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our drive eastbound along Interstate 26 in South Carolina. Interstate 26, commonly known as I-26, stretches across South Carolina, connecting the mountains in the northwest to the coast in the southeast. Construction of I-26 began in 1957 and was completed by 1969. This development significantly improved travel and commerce within South Carolina. As we travel eastward, we pass through the state's Midlands region, characterized by gently rolling hills and a mix of forests and farmland. This area is part of the Atlantic coastal plain, known for its fertile soil that supports various crops, including cotton, soybeans, and corn. Continuing our journey, we approach the intersection with Interstate 95, one of the busiest highways on the East Coast, running from Florida to Maine. This junction serves as a vital link for travelers and goods moving between inland areas and coastal destinations. Throughout this drive, we've traversed a region rich in history and natural beauty, from the state's capital to significant transportation hubs. Thank you for joining us on this journey along I-26 in South Carolina.
Thanks for watching!